Hey everybody, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Okay, people, so a few days ago, right, Be First gave us a live performance. I know I'm late, but I do appreciate these guys' music. Their music are really and truly an incredible source of life, right? So they performed this song, it's called Glow Up, right? And it's live in Dome. So let's take a walk into this live performance where it's in Dome, because I haven't been in Dome as yet. I'm eager to be in Dome right now, right? Because I'm all the way across in Jamaica, and I'm sorry for being a trespasser in this wonderful place of Dome. But I'm here for the music, the food, the culture, the heritage, the people. I'm all here, all inclusive. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into what Dome performances are like right now, and let's have a merry time. Bro, I love the stage, bro. The stage look dope. I ain't ready. I am not ready as yet for this one. Absolutely not ready. Yo! Dopeness started. The kings are back. The men with a superb voice are back. Guys, my sinus a little bit irritating now, but I do hope you guys understand the stuffy nose, right? But the kings are back, right? And I'm always happy to stop by, to listen to them, to react to their music, because their music is life itself, bro. Yo, they are so cool, man. Each individual here, bro, they are so cool. And I do love the way how they are uniting, right? And to see everyone here on this stage shows that it is bars. Bars here, bro. Bars. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Bah, 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 bah. Now, this is what I call singing. You have to can sing to display this wonderful sound, bro. You have to can sing. And this is the reason why Be First is one of my favorite crew, because of how they went and they sing. They are not very much different from the music video. Trust me. And they're always making sure that dancing, performing while dancing, singing while performing and dancing at the same time, it's entertainment. And it's entertaining to see that, right? They are winning now. Yo! The dancing, I always give my compliments on dancing. right? They're dancing. It's so smooth. It is as if butter is dropped into a hot pot from the sides, bro. It is so smooth. Neat, but deadly. Damn. Damn. Oh! Oh! Yo, look. The rapping king is now taking the stage, bro. Hookah, 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 hookah. If I was there, I would be the lowest in that crowd because I always go all out for them because they deserve to go all out for, bro. Trust me. Damn. Damn. Yo, the music is nice. The entertainment is nice. The guys here who is singing, it's really incredible to see them. No cap.
You don't need to know everything. Treat the waka liko na. You can never win it. Jamamono nanta ina.
No way. No freaking way. Everyone is having a good time. Everyone is delivering as they should. There's no disappointment so far. I'm impressed with what I'm getting. So I'm eager to want more. Let's continue. Yo, I love this singing so darn much, bro. Yo, I am always lost for words to describe them. They are full of techniques, they are full of talent, and talented people always, always comes last, bro. And the talent here is very incredible. Sing on, my G's. Sing on because you are making me happy now. You are driving me in a very lovely, happy zone. You guys put a smile on my face and I do appreciate that, bro. Regardless of everything that has been going on in my life, you guys literally are a lifesaver. Trust me. Dog. Yo, this is mind blowing. Yo, bro is killing it. It is killing it. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is impressive. I am impressed. Exquisite job, guys. Trust me. You guys are really doing it. You guys are doing the thing that I love to see you guys do, bro. Sing and make people happy. Trust me. Just keep on doing the good work, bro. And I'm here in Jamaica to support y'all. Yeah. Stunning. Right? Beautiful performance. Beautiful staging because you guys are using the stage as you should. So the performance is dope.
changing you. We go up and switch to love. Hey. Ooh, we go up and switch. We go up and switch. Oh.
My God. Monkey nose, bro. Oh, yo. I love it so much here. I love to see them sing. I love to hear them sing. I love to see them perform while singing because they are very joyful. They are very joyous here. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, bro.
We go up and switch. 많이 먹어왔잖아.
Yo, that was good. That was amazing. That inspired me to go and listen to more. Trust me. Great. Absolutely great. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, leave a like, smash the subscribe button, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.